Section 1. What you see on your first visit to the Patrwm Smart Places system. When you first use Patrwm, you'll be presented with a set of 3 cards for each place. The cards tell us about the area that is covered by the Patrwm network in each place, the age and gender of visitors who have logged into the network over the last full month, and the number of visits based on the number of devices, and how long they have spent in that network during the last full month. Section 2. Start to take control and make the system yours, changing language and changing the date range. You can choose which language you want to use by selecting the language switch, displayed as CY for Cymraeg from the far right of the top menu. Once selected, you should see that the CY will change to EN. You can also choose a different date range for all the cards by selecting the calendar icon from the right of the top menu. First, select the start date of the period you want to see, and then select the end date. Once you have done this, select Set from the bottom of the calendar form. Section 3. Adding new data cards and new places to your view of Patrwm. Patrwm has been designed to let you choose what you want to see. You can customise your view by selecting the big blue circle at the bottom right of the screen. This will allow you to add different cards from any of the places that Patrwm covers. Select a place from the list of places and you'll be presented with the different data cards that are available for that place. Check the cards that you want to see from that place and select Add. The new cards will appear at the bottom of the page. Notice that as you move across a chart or a map, that Patrwm will display the data for that element on the screen. Section 4. How to get hold of the information that you have found and download it as data or a graphic. You can download the data that sits behind the chart or the graphic for any of the data cards by selecting the hamburger menu at the top right of the card. Images can be downloaded for inclusion in reports or for sharing with others. The data is downloaded via CSV file, which can be opened in a spreadsheet package like Excel. Section 5. Building your own customised view of Patrwm's data. You can clear the existing preset data cards and make your own bespoke information panel. It could be focused on one place or a metric that has been recorded across many places. To do this, you need to go back to the top menu and select the cross. It's between the calendar and the language switch. You will then be asked if you want to clear the page. Confirm that you do and you will have a blank page. Don't panic, just select the blue circle with the plus sign at the bottom right and select the place and the data card or cards that you want to view. Once you've added these to your view on Patrwm for that place, if you want to add data cards from another place, select the blue circle again and select the place and the data cards that you would like to view until you've got everything that you need.